You speak really, really well. Did you teach yourself English?
No, English is, I think, is the most difficult language.
Yeah, it's hard.
First time when I come to United States and learning, I just hello, my name is Jackie Chan. I don't know how to order food.
Yeah.
Yeah, and because like my babysitter, he go away just by myself. I'm very hungry. Then I see the restaurant. Then people were on the line. Okay, then I'm not going. Then I've been practiced the whole night.
You're right.
Yeah, and bacon, toast, milk sandwich.
Right.
Bacon, toast, milk sandwich. Okay, next morning I get up because the jet lag. I was get up early in the morning, like at 6 o'clock. I wait on the line. Then the actress, the waitress,
Waitress, same thing.
They send me to the table.
Yeah.
Then she gave me a menu.
Yeah.
Then I pretend to see the menu.
Yeah, you're reading it.
Yeah. I don't know how to read.
Right.
Pretend to see
okay.
the menu.
Yeah.
Then later on she coming back. Whatever she say something, I say okay. Milk, toast, bacon, and egg.
Good.
Yeah, good.
Yeah.
Then she said, "How would you like the egg?" Huh? Egg. Yes. How would you like the egg? No egg. Milk bacon sandwich. Very difficult. American people very polite. They open the elevator.
Yeah.
They always get in. Good morning. Then I say, hi. Good morning. Where are you from? From Hong Kong. Hong Kong's a nice place. Blah, blah, blah. The next time the people walk in the elevator, I just pretend to tie my shoes.
Or you can always say bacon, egg, toast, milk, and then they won't talk to you. They'll think you're nuts.
So very, very difficult
Yeah.
to speak. I went, I came, she, he, and eat, I ate. Difficult. Yeah.
And did you study it in school, or you just learned it as an adult?
No, I learned from TV.
From TV?
Yeah, from TV.
That's right.
And American movies, and just American songs.
Yeah.
I like to, because like, hello, ladies, you are always on my mind, you are always on my mind. I learned from songs and
don't listen to rap, you could get in trouble. You start saying that kind of stuff.
If you speak too fast, I really don't understand. Yeah.
I'm sorry. Oh, not me, other people?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I talk fast because New Yorkers, New Yorkers generally talk very fast. It's hard for people to understand, even Americans.
But your English is okay.
Mine is okay?
Yes.
Thanks a lot. My Chinese isn't so good.